going on, folks? I'm going to be showing you how you will be installing a bidet, which is what this is right here, onto your toilet. You don't have to actually these days buy a whole toilet that's a bidet. You can actually install a bidet that comes into your toilet seat. First thing you want to do is reach underneath here, unscrew your bolts. Now hold on your old toilet seat and take off your old toilet seat. You'll have two bolts that come on like that. You want to set that aside. Then what you want to do with this bidet, which happens to be, look like a Brondale bidet pretty much. It'll come with like this piece right here. You just kind of want to take this piece right here. You line it up over top of your hose just like that. You'll have these two plastic pieces. Just kind of want to slide them into a position. You don't need to worry about how far up or how far back it's going to set, because as you can see, you can adjust what he's going. So I'm just going to stick them right here for now. Just get a good lineup for it. And once I got that done, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the screws that come with it, stick it through there, make sure it's squared up like that down, and I'm going to put these nuts on the bottom of it. You don't need to make these nuts be too tight. I'm just screwing it on the bottom just to kind of hold it in place. I'm not going to really make it super tight. It's just getting it where it's on there. You'll have two nuts like that. Another one is sticking through the hole. Come around here. Then you're going to be tightening this one right here. Like I said, don't worry about getting it too tight right now. You just kind of want to get it to where it's kind of firm in your toilet. The next thing you're going to be wanting to do is you have to turn off the water to your toilet. And show you this. To turn off the water to your toilet, you want to kind of come back behind it. And when you come back here, you have like a little valve right here that you just want to turn all the way like that until it stops turning. And now your water should be off. So after you've done that, you want to go ahead, flush your toilet again, because you want to try to get all the water pretty much out of your toilet bowl. The bowl back here. So I flushed it one more time. I'm trying to empty all the water out. When you see it empty like that, now what you're going to want to do is grab a towel or something like that, put it down on the floor. Let's see, if you look, get a better angle for you. If you look right here, going into the back of the toilet, you have a little nut right here. You're going to be taking this off right here. You just want to turn it like that. Some water is probably going to come out. That's why you got the towel for. Go ahead and turn that. Like I said, put a towel down or something like that to catch the water that may come out. See, now that it turns, just a little bit of water dripping out of it. So now that I have that off of it, what I'm going to be doing is, with your bidet, you'll get what's called like a T-joint pretty much. This right here. And what you're going to be doing is taking this thing and screwing it up on to the toilet. So what I'm going to be using is this part right here is going to screw up onto the black piece. Hold on. It's going to screw up to that black piece right there coming off the toilet. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead. I'm going to take there's a washer that comes with this, a black washer. So I'm going to take this black washer. Well, let me take this. I can come up here now so you can see what I'm doing with this. This is basically your T right here. So what you're going to be doing is taking this black washer right here, put it inside of there, make sure it's nice and secure inside of here. Now what you're going to be doing is taking this right here and screwing it up on to the bottom of your toilet where you took off that other line at. I'm going to do that now, see if I see. Yeah, right there where I'm screwing this T on to where I took off this pipe right here. So I'm just screwing this on. You see how I have that up there now? Make sure that's on there nice and tight. So that's on there. So now so what I'm going to be doing next is taking this pipe, which is actually first what was on the toilet, and I'm going to be connecting it to the bottom of this. Just like that, line it up evenly. Then you just want to tighten that up. Just like that. So I have that tightened up on there. And once you have that on there, and you have your top piece onto the toilet, you see this one sticking out. Now what you're going to be doing is, so next what you're going to do is you look at your bidet, you'll have a little hose a little piece right here. You want to take this little U piece right here, and you're going to be tightening this, putting this on here, just like that. Kind of want to line that up just like that. Don't tighten up all the way yet, because next what you need to do is go ahead. I want to get this behind this part right here. You see this piece? Yeah, make sure that's behind it, facing toward the back. Now I got that on there. Next, what I'm going to be doing is just taking this other piece right here, and I'm going to screw it onto the other T part. I'm going to show you that. Okay. I said it's a pretty simple job. Now that I have that part done, all I'm going to be doing now is taking this part, you see that open hole right there, and screw this onto there. I'm just screwing that. I'll show you once I got it going on there. Okay. Got it going on. Now you see how I have it? I put the top part onto the toilet. I screwed the water line coming from the house onto the bottom of it. And I screwed this small hose right here that goes to the bidet onto this small pipe right there. Now make sure everything's nice and tight. Then once you do that, what you're going to be doing is, now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking your bidet. You'll see this little piece right here. There's a little slide part right there. You want to press it all the way down. You know, what you're going to be doing next is just taking it, kind of line it up. Once you have like that, and slide it back. Just like that. Now it's on there. Now next what you want to do is, once you have everything on here like this, you can kind of adjust your pipes over here and you get done. Once you get all set up, to kind of get them out the way, you want to tighten everything up real good. Make sure everything feels nice and tight. Then what you're going to be doing is going back over here where you turned off your water at. Pretty simple. Just go back behind there to your water valve. Turn your water on slowly, just in case you have any leaks. Just like that. Water's turned back on. Just like that. Check for any leaks, anything like that. I see no leaks. Now what you're going to be doing is testing your bidet. You see how it's pulling back up? This little thing right here, this little valve, this is actually what you would be turning to spray out the water. I'm going to turn it now. See how it came down? There's an adjustment. You can turn it, come down like that, or you turn it back the other way and it'll spray to the front or back. See that little thing that popped out? Let me see that. I'll get water on the camera. But a little hose will pop out like that. Let me wipe off the camera lens. It sprayed the camera. I don't think the camera needs to be cleaned. But yeah, you see that little thing that came out there? That's your, I'm going to do it again from the angle so the camera won't get wet. You see? I'm ready to spray it. You'll see the little white thing pop out. See, if you turn it further, turn it up that way. See that spraying? Then if you turn it like that, saw that sprayed all the way out? It's really handy to have these. It's better than using toilet paper. It's more, you know, ecologically friendly pretty much. So it's these right here probably run about $100 for the, I think it's the Brondale version of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get somebody, let them try it out, see what they think about it. I'll show you in a second. All right, yeah, we installed this thing over here. I want you to try it out, see how it feels. It's go ahead and sit on it. There's a little thing on the side over there. You see a little knob, like a little chrome knob?
This right here?
Now, yeah, turn it. Turn it kind of,
Which
turn
one?
it all the way to the back wall.
Okay.
See what happens.
Woo!
Yeah, that's called a bidet. That's why it's installed. They call it a bidet right there. Turn around, let me see how it sprayed you. Okay, so you are nice and wet now. Okay. All right, welcome to a new bidet. All right, so once you have this mount on here, for a quick note, when you're putting the actual toilet seat bidet on, this little piece right here slides right up into there like that. You'll just push it, slide in. And when you want to take it off, you'll have a button right here that when the seat's on there, you press that in like that, and you'll be able to pull the seat back off just in case you want to adjust these pieces right here so your toilet seat sits either back further or up closer like that. Alright, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also, I would like to give a big thanks to all of our super thanks subscribers and viewers who have given us anything from $2 to $10. You know, everything helps. We really appreciate that. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.